Proposed resolution appealing to His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to stop the move to import sugar while the milling season is at its peak. Whereas there's a plan by certain sectors to immediately import sugar, despite there is yet no apparent shortage of sugar in the country, and that the SRA itself has no forecast of a large shortfall in sugar supply after the milling season. Whereas the sugar farmers, especially the small and micro, have for the first time in decades enjoyed a remarkably good sugar price, and that the temporary stoppage of export sugar aid has resulted to a bigger income since traditionally bee sugar has a higher price structure. Whereas sugar farmers, both the big and small, shall definitely suffer when traders will again import sugar, especially in the middle of the milling season, since traditionally any importation results in the instant dumping of prices, since imported sugar are sourced at very low prices from sugar-producing countries, whereas only the traders and some unscrupulous sectors benefit from the importation, and that sugar farmers have not yet fully recovered from their losses of previous crop seasons, they having been hit by low sugar prices, exceedingly high fertilizer, and other inputs costs directly related to sugar farming. Whereas this importation, which is expected at 64,015 metric tons, will indeed severely affect the sugar farmers negatively, and they are already suffering economic, will further be degraded, resulting to hunger and the lack of their ability to send children to school, as well as reduce their means to buy basic necessities. That's the proposed resolution. Madam Presiding Officer.
I so moved.
So moved and second.
Co-sponsored the...
Co-sponsored by all board is 2 ready, yes, kay Hilig.
Okay, all by all.
By all? Okay. Yes, by all.
By all.
It's seconded by all. Okay, motion is approved.